Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today I'm going to show you how to humanize your text, your AI written text. What am I talking about? They have a humanizer function here that if you click on it, it will take your AI generated text. In this case, we're going to use GPT-4 or 4 Omni, and it's going to make it sound more natural, engaging, and most importantly, human written. I want to quickly note up front here that the humanizer is not intended for AI content detection or AI plagiarism detection. It might work for that, but that's not the point. The point of this video is to show you how you can take content that was written by an AI bot and make it sound human, but it's not meant to go ahead and submit it in academic papers or anything like that, or try and get past plagiarism checks. That's completely separate. That's outside the scope of this video. Let's dig in now and let me show you how it works. All right, step one is a simple one. Just head over to their website, abacus.ai, links in the description below. And up at the top, you're going to see ChatLLM Teams. Click on that here. New tab's going to open up, and here we go. If you have an account, sign in. If you don't have an account, just click on Get Started. But before you do that, keep in mind that this is only $10 per user billed monthly. I mention that because ChatGPT alone is $20 a month. So it's half the price and you get access to so much more. It's unbelievable. It's an amazing deal. It's definitely worth taking a look. Click the link in the description. All right, once you're ready to go, click on sign in or get started and let's get cooking. All right, once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks something like this. The first thing I'm going to do is click up here at the top on this down arrow. Now notice here that I am in GPT-4 or 4 Omni, and that's where we want to be. But if you take a quick tour here, you'll notice here you've got access to all of these other large language models, O1 Preview, O1 Mini, Qwen 2.5, that just came out a few days ago, Haiku 3.5. It's all here, even Grok, holy smokes. So just something to keep in mind here, but in this case, we're going to go with 4.0, so we're going to go with 4 Omni. And now the first step is we're just going to create some AI generated text. So I'm going to be like, write a 150 word article about baseball. This is very, very simple. Nothing fancy here. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to take a few seconds, and GPT-4 is very, very quick. So here we go. We got baseball, often referred to as America's pastime, etc. Looks good. Now I'm going to copy this entire thing here. I'm going to Command C, so I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to go over here to GPT-Zero. GPT-Zero is currently the best AI detector. And I know that this video isn't necessarily about AI detection, so I'm not trying to say, hey, use this tool and you can pass AI detection. But we want to know if this is content that would pass, because we want to go ahead and make it sound human to see if it actually worked. So here we go. I'm going to Command V, paste that in here. And watch this here. You'll see here that it's pasted it in. Now we're going to scan for AI. Watch this. This is even better. It's going to do its thing, and here we go. You'll see here that it says 100% probability AI generated. So that means, yep, it's AI just like it is, because you saw me create it. Now, let's go back into ChatLLM Teams here, and now watch. I'm going to use the humanize function, and we're going to get through that. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. So we humanized the text, and you'll know it's humanized because when you hover over this and you see humanized response. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and grab the first paragraph. I highly recommend putting it in paragraph by paragraph, because if you have long context windows, sometimes the beginning and the end don't always, they get the attention, but the middle parts don't. So let's just go ahead and do it the nice and safe way. I'm going to go to GPT-Zero here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on and create a new scan, just like that here. So here we go. We got a fresh scan. Let's paste the new humanized content in here. And there we go. Here it goes. And if you read it here, it says baseball is a widely enjoyed sport. It originated in the 19th century. It is enjoyed by people across the globe. So it's very, nice and simple, nice staccato rhythm there. It's very, very, I guess you'd say shorter and to the point. So more like how people write, where GPT, they tend to get, carried away and write really long sentences. So here we go. This is our first crack at it. Let's go ahead and click on scan. We're going to do a basic scan, and let's see what the AI tells. Look at that here. This is money. It says here human. Okay, look at that. We are moderately confident this text is entirely human. That's what we want. And if you want to dig in even further, you'll see here that it thinks it's 83% human, 1% mixed, and 16% AI. So we went from 100% AI to 83% human, 16% AI, 1% mixed. So this is an huge upgrade right off the bat here. And if we go back into ChatLLM Teams, let me show you one more thing here. Let's say your response isn't quite the way you want it. What you can do is you can regenerate here, or I can just click on this humanized response. I'm going to click on the little button again there, and look at this here. I can humanize the humanized response. So if we can basically just keep cooking it until we get exactly what we're looking for here. So if I wanted to do it again and I didn't want it to be automatic, maybe this time it was professional and clear, I could put some instructions in there, click on regenerate, and it's going to regenerate that response. And then we can take that, put it back into GPT-Zero, and see what we get here. So this is an infinite loop. It's a little bit of a hack there, guys, but this is how you humanize content using ChatLLM Teams. It's amazing. It works. You've seen it. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think of this video. Thanks for watching.